We are very proud as a ministry to have the Engineers Board of Kenya having been able to organize this very important conference for now the 4th time. You are the first president to be able to attend this function, Your Excellency. And it is not by accident. It is not by accident. It is also because you are a president who is a scientist. And you have a lot of respect for professional work. Number 2 is also, Your Excellency, you are the first president to be trained locally from your first degree to the last degree. So professionally, we don't want to say other people, but we want to say we really appreciate the fact that you are a locally trained professional and you respect a professional life of our professionals here. Your Excellency, I just want to say that we take this engineer seriously. I may not be an engineer, Your Excellency, but all these engineers need the services of a lawyer. And when you appointed me to this ministry, I'm sure the engineers, when you join first year in the university, Susan will confirm this, is that in law, the first case you will get is for Rylands versus Fletcher, which was an engineer who had constructed his house on the neighborhood. And then, because of that construction, water percolated to the next farm. So the question was, this man is in his farm, he has built his own dam, but how is it possible that this was, no, how do you hold him liable now that this is his property, but the water has percolated to the next neighbor? Then lawyers came up with something called the principle of strict liability. And we solved the problems that are caused by these engineers, Your Excellency. So, as a matter of fact, I am very happy that I have been welcomed to this ministry by these engineers, people who are sometimes misunderstood because they are busy, they wear